Hello, my name is Natalia and I'm a founder and the owner of the exotic, luxury, VIP and all those fancy words car rental fleet in Miami. We are called G.M.Luxe, and if you already rented a vehicle from us, then watch this video to get a tutorial of one of my female drivers to how to properly use this vehicle. If you have not rented from us, then please follow links down below this video and make your future reservation.
Hello everybody, thank you for renting with G.M.Luxe. We appreciate every customer, and today in tutorial we're going to talk about Jaguar F-Type. This is how the key looks like. It has 5 different buttons: unlock button, lock button, open trunk button, turn on the headlights, and the hazard. Once you press the unlock button to get into the car, the handle will pop out automatically. Now that we're inside the car, we're going to talk about some other features that it has. For example, how to change the gear, how to adjust the temperature, connect to the Bluetooth, and many more. So stay tuned. To turn on the car, we need to press on the brake pedal and press the start button in the middle console. Now let's take a look at the middle console and what buttons and options do we have here. Over here is the parking brake. Just simply press it towards yourself to activate the park brake. To release the park brake, you need to press on the brake pedal and then press on the button right here. This button right here turns on and off the traction control. This button right here automatically turns off the engine to save gas when you're standing in traffic. This button right here pulls up the spoiler. And if you don't need the spoiler no more, just press on it one more time. This button on the right opens and closes the roof. We're gonna talk about it shortly. This switch right here puts the car in different modes. When you pull it up like this, it activates snow and rain mode. When you press it down like this, it puts the car in sports mode. To turn it off, simply move it up once, and once the light is not lit, it's off. Now we're going to talk about how to put the car in a drive mode. First, you need to press on the brake pedal. Now, press on the button on the back side of the shifter while moving it down like this. Right now, we're in drive. To put the car in manual mode and shift the gears by yourself manually, we would move the controller to the left side. Now we can downshift while moving it away from you, or we can change gears by simply moving it towards yourself. To put it back into drive, simply move it back to the right. To put the car in rear, press on the button again and move it up like this. To put it in park, press on the P button on the top. Moving on to the climate control in the car. So these buttons right here are for the AC. In order to turn it on, you need to press on the middle and it will turn on the AC. To control, you can put it in auto mode and the car automatically will adjust the temperature. You can turn it off by using this button. You can change the circulation in the car. To turn on the hazards, press on the middle button. To turn it off, press on it again. This button right here turns on the ventilation of the windshield, and this one is for the rear window. These controllers right here adjust the temperature. The passenger side and the driver's side adjust together. Moving on to the main screen. It's a touch screen, so you can use your finger to navigate. This is the navigation button. You can enter the desired destination. This is the phone button, and we are now going to pair our phone to the Bluetooth. To connect to the Bluetooth, press on pair new device. Jaguar F-Type will automatically comes up. After you press new device, it will automatically come up on your settings. Press on Jaguar F-Type, pair, yes, allow, and here you go. Now you're connected. You can use your phone and media. Moving on, this button right here turns on the radio. To control the volume, use the button on the main dash. To put the volume up, move it to the right. To turn it down, move it to the left. To completely turn it on, press in the middle. This button right here allows you to adjust the climate settings as well and the position of the airflow. This button turns on and off the rear camera, and this one is for parking sensors, and this one right here turns off the screen completely. To turn it back on, simply press on it. This button is for other settings of the car and the home button. Moving on to the steering wheel and its settings. There are two pedals on each side which you would use to change the gears when you are in manual regime. Buttons right here is for cruise control. Once you press this button right here, it will put the car in cruise control, and you can speed up and slow down using these buttons. On the left hand side, you have control for the screen in front of the driver's seat. Press on the menu to see all the options and use right button and the left button to navigate through it. To select an option, press menu or OK button one more time. This button right here adjusts the volume up or down. Once you have a phone call, you can respond to it using this button once you're connected to the Bluetooth. This mode button allows you to choose different stations in your media player. From on the right side, we have a controllers for wipers. In order to clean the windshield, pull it up. To turn it off, pull it down. On the left hand side, we have a controller for the lights and turn signal. To turn right, pull it up. To turn it off, put it back in the middle. To turn left, simply pull it down. Also, this button right here allows you to trip your mileage, and this way you will know how many miles did you travel on the car. To turn off the lights, simply align the off word with the arrow right here. To turn on the fog lights, move it one down. Once you turn on the auto regime, your car automatically adjusts, turns on and off the lights depending on the daytime. On the left hand side from the driver, we have buttons to open and close the window. To open the window, simply press and pull it down. This one is the same for the passenger side. These controllers right here are for the mirrors. If you need to adjust the left mirror, press on the left button, use the controller in the middle to move it around. If you need to adjust the right side, press on the right button and you can do the same thing. These buttons right here allow you to adjust your seating position. Here moves you away and closer to the steering wheel. This one adjusts how reclined your seat is, move it up and down. And this button right here allows you to control the back support. Now let's talk about the buttons on the left hand side of the driver's seat. This one is to open the trunk. This one right here to turn on and off the traction control. And this one is for the fog lights. Now let's talk about how to open and close the rooftop. Use the button in the middle console to open the roof. Press it down all the way and hold it until the roof is fully open. It may take a few seconds. You can release the button once it's fully open. To close it, pull it up and hold it the same way until the roof is fully closed. The windows will come up as well.
Thank you for watching this video and for renting from us. If you still have questions, please contact us at any time. It was our pleasure to serve you, and we're looking forward to serve you again soon. Bye!